and analyze each roofing member from first engineering principles as the truss or rafter is being automatically detailed, and all in a matter of seconds. A comprehensive truss analysis report is available on each truss and can be printed as part of a certification process. Steel wall panels and flooring members are detailed from engineer certified tables, which need to be specifically formulated for each system and can account for different load combinations, including snow loading. Systems can also be supplied to meet other standards or building codes. SFS can also provide worldwide engineering and accreditation design services, or EADS. EADS will check your designs and issue a certificate of structural adequacy. EADS can also provide a cost-effective total design and detailing solution tailor-made to your manufacturing process as an optional service. SFS uses simple but intuitive software to reduce the traditional multi-step design, engineering and fabrication process down to